Okay, we'll continue editing this book that we're trying to create here in Microsoft Word. This is A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens, written in 1843. And you can see at the bottom left corner of the Word screen that this book, as it is right now in my Microsoft Word editor here, is 72 pages long, 28,619 words long. And so it's a big document. You could get bigger books, of course. Maybe we could find shorter ones, but this is a good sized book to start learning with. Now, in order to get around in this book, one of the things that would help a lot is if I would just go ahead and create some bookmarks. And that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to create bookmarks everywhere that there is a stave. And the word stave is a word that Charles Dickens here uses instead of the word chapter. All we really need to do is just click right in front of the word stave here. Again, we could just click anywhere in the text and press home and jump to the start of that line. And then we're going to come up to insert, and on insert under links, we're going to select bookmark. And for bookmark, we're going to give it a name. We're just going to call this stave 1. And be careful, you cannot have a space in here, so make sure it's just stave, no space, and then 1. And we're going to click add. And so now we have the bookmark for stave 1. Now we need to find stave 2, and we could scroll through the document, but instead what we'll do is we'll use a faster way. Control F is to find. Now I could also just come to home, come over here to the right side of the ribbon, and use here under editing, I could just click on the find command. To go to find, notice the key tab down here says that it says to use Control F. So I'll just do that. I'll just hit Control F to find, and that opens the navigation pane. And over here, I'll just type the word stave. And we see here the stave for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you click on these, you'll see that what we're actually selecting here under contents is where the first 5 uses of the word stave are used. And that's in the table of contents. And then when we get down here to where stave 1 is found, that's this stave right down here. Stave right there. And so all of these others above it we really don't need. And we're going to just jump down here to stave 2. And that is right here on this page in the document. And I'm just going to press home to go to the beginning of that line. And I'm again going to insert and then a bookmark. This time I will call this stave 2 and press add. Then I'm going to go back to stave, hit enter. I'm going to click on stave 3. Wherever it is, even though it's on the last line of a page, we're going to fix that later on as we edit this book. But for wherever you find it, just click insert a bookmark, call it stave 3. Be sure don't put a space in it. And then stave again to search. Control or stave 4 here. And then from wherever it's found, click in that line, press home, click on bookmark. Type stave 4. And we're going to do that one more time to get to stave 5, because that's all there are in this book is just 5 chapters or 5 staves. Press home to get to the start of the line. Come up and insert. Click on bookmark. Stave 5. And that one. Now, if I wanted to go back up to the top of the document, I could. I'd just press Control Home And I know that stave 1 is close up to the top here, but there's another way you can get to it also. You could come over to Home on the tab and come over to Find, and then you could click on Go To, and Go To has a feature that allows us to go to Bookmarks. If I click on Bookmarks, then I could go to stave 1 and just like this. But that's a lot of work to go from Home over to Find, click, go down and click in order to get here. And what I could do is just as I used Control F to find, I can use Control G, which opens up the Go To box, and that saves about 3 clicks. And I could click here to go down to stave 5, and let's just see if it works. Look, there it is, stave 5. If I go up to stave 3, Go To, and there it is right there at the start of the document. So this is how you enter bookmarks in documents in order to help get you around a little bit faster in these large documents.